got to change the game conditions. Okay, so first thing we want to do is we want to put the image on the background. And putting the image on the background is going to involve us blitting that that image. And I'm going to look up something really quick because there's a piece of this that I'm needing to look at so that I don't mess up the draw score running. Oh, there it is. Okay, so this is the code we're going to use for that. I'm going to just copy and paste it over here, but this is during the game loop. And it is instead of the screen fill here because we're not going to use that blue color anymore. We're going to use an image. And so the first thing we want to do is we need to create a Pygame image. So image.background. We don't need that to be an F string. We're going to load that image and convert it. And then we are just going to blit that to the screen. The upper corner being at 0, 0, and that's it. So let's run that. Oh, my bad, the path was incorrect, yelling at me. Oh, look at that. Now it looks like a fun game that we can actually play, except it's still very hard. So maybe we need to still continue to play around with that, but we're not quite there yet. So first thing we want to do is let's set it so that when he touches the food, that it will add to the score. Okay, so we're going to uncomment that, and we're not afraid of the food anymore. We're trying to get it. And we're going to change this function or this method. Sprite collide any doesn't do anything to either of those things. But if we change this to sprite collide, that's a very similar one. And it takes one more argument. And this is even more convenient because this argument is a Boolean that says if the player collides with somebody from this group, does the person from the group or the entity here get killed? So all we have to do is change this to true. And then I'm going to cut that because I'm going to use it somewhere else later. And I'm going to say score plus equals 1. So every time you collect a food item, the score is increased by 1. Now, where do we want the in-game stuff is when a food falls off the edge of the screen. So I'm going to go back up here to the enemy. Okay, when a food during update, okay, right here we're checking this. Remember when we had to kill the missiles when they flew off the side? Well, luckily we can use that. We can repurpose that, and I can say self.rect.top is greater than screen height. Then I do the end game stuff. So if I say self.rect.top is greater than screen height, and I don't want that, I want this. Kills the player, ends the game. So now let's check it out. See, now this is, very difficult game. Uh-oh. Oh, 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 oh. Hey. Ha, ha. Oh, I missed one. And Why did it not stop running? Because running was not global here. So if I there's only one running that matters, I'm going to make sure that I refer to that in the initialization and also inside this method. Because that running variable is the game loop, whether it's going or not. So passing that in and out just does not make sense because I do want to give this the power to stop the whole game. So now, if I let the pizza drop all the way, it'll end the game for me. So that's the whole game. That is how to take a game and change it to something else. Another one of my favorites that had a similar mechanic, but a little bit more physics involved, had like two firefighters carrying back and forth a trampoline, and people would fall out of a window, and you'd have to bounce them. So they'd hit the trampoline, and then they'd bounce, and then they'd bounce a little bit lower. And once they had bounced a few times, their bounces would be low enough that they could survive. They wouldn't die when they hit the street. So you had to like go back and forth and maintain all of these different things that were going on. So there's lots of different, all that does, all you'd have to do there is just change it so that when something hits the object, it just bounces. So you have to figure out, what does that look like? What does a bounce do? We were talking about that before class. Like, what are the physics there? So lots of things you could do here. And,